Hi, I'm Kristen from Montavilla Sewing Centers. I'm the fabric coordinator at our Lake Oswego store, and I am excited to introduce our exclusive fabric panels. We've got a panel that makes a needle minder pincushion. Instructions are included on it. One that makes a tote bag. Again, instructions are included. And we have a fat quarter panel, so you can do whatever you want with it. Let's see what we've done.
I chose to make this cute little slouchy bag pattern with the damask fat quarter from the panel, and I love that it makes a cute little heart out of sewing machines, contrast lining. If you want to make one, ask us for the pattern.
I use the fat quarter to make a crazy patch pillow. It's a great way to use up those decorative stitches that you never use on your machine.
The tiny funnel makes a needle minder, so you can keep track of all your machine needles. We weighted ours about 1/3 with rice, so it won't fall off your counter. It's perfect.
Hey, guess what? We have some new fabric, Montavilla Sewing. This is a project for using with your sewing machine. So you can just add in all of your tools so they're handy. And then this goes over the edge in your sewing machine on top. Quick access to your tools and a very cute thing for your sewing room. So here you go.
I used the tote bag panel to make this roomy tote bag, complete with front patch pocket. All the instructions and parts are printed right on the panel. Of course, we had to take it a step further and quilt it. You could do that too.
I chose the plaid from the new fat quarter panel, and we made a zippy bag. We did box corners, we used some fusible woven in here, and we even have a video on our YouTube channel.
Got 'em! Look at all this great stuff you guys made. We hope everybody loves this fabric as much as we do. It's only available at Montavilla Sewing Centers, and when it's gone, it's gone.